Welcome, learners. In this course, we will focus on the play and practice area of the Restore platform. Now, this is an area of the platform that allows us to engage with the gaming content based on the functional skill that you would like to target. So our friends in therapy, whether OT, PT, or speech, they can review this full skill set and see there are different areas that they can practice that will align with their session goals based on the player or the resident that they are engaging with. So whether you're working on mobility, balance, coordination, range of motion, or cognition, this is the ideal area to come to as it gives you more control over the gamified experience, but it also will represent and show you goal-related data at the end of each game. We can save that objective data, we can add notes, and you can track progress over time with particular patients. So stick with this course, follow the rest of our videos, and by the end, you will begin to save data and track that progress over time so you can reach your patient's goals.